Welcome to your video walkthrough of the installation steps for Bumblebee Networks BN-CPE-1000. Let's get started. Step 1. Plug in the Ethernet cable from the Internet Service Provider to ETH0 port. ETH0 port is your WAN. Step 2. Plug in power. Use only the adapter that came with the device. Step 3. Check Internet status. Use an Ethernet cable to connect between the ETH3 port, that is the diagnostic port, and your laptop. On the laptop, open a web browser and type an address: http://169.254.1.1:8080. On the browser display page, check the registration status. You should see status as active. The device has been successfully connected and registered. Congratulations! If you see the above status, your internet connection has been established and the device has been registered with the Bumblebee portal. Step 4. Plug in an Ethernet cable to ETH1 port for LAN connection that connects to your internal network. Troubleshooting. If your internet status check on Step 3 failed, here are the troubleshooting steps. Check that the power light is on. Check that the ETH01 port light is on. Refresh Internet Status web page from Step 3 to observe network interface statistics are updating. Scroll down the page. Check the WAN information section of the page for configuration errors. If configuration errors are found, you can fix it by scrolling down to the Modify ETH01 interface section to update.